Hi, my name's Steve Anderson. My wife Jennifer and I bought a cabin with some stalls here in Tennessee. They had concrete floors, so we knew we had to get some stall mats. We got the interlocking 3/4 inch thick, 10 by 10 natural from Greatmats. We worked with Sarah. She helped out a lot from the start to finish. We had to do a few cuts because the stalls were not quite square, or perfectly square, so we had a few cuts to make with utility knife. It was easy to do, easy installation with a utility knife and mallet. And as you can see, the horses are very happy with the stall mats. So thank you, Greatmats. And the delivery was great also. Wanted to mention that they brought the stall mats right to the barn here in Tennessee. Thank you, Greatmats.